You're the first since Hashirama to make me this excited. You can still dance, can't you? Do you have any other moves? Come on, give me some more fun.
Igaya? From a Sekiso barrage? Even Sekiso isn't enough?
Nice, nice! Let's keep on dancing! This attack will be his final one. Charge!
Don't tell me he has something even greater.
I, Madara, declare that you are the strongest of them all!